Alright, here is Friendly Fitness on the App Store. This is my second published app and of course was part of the YouTube series that I made, so go check out those videos if you haven't yet. I'll put a little link right here. And no reviews or ratings yet, I just published it. Go download it if you want, let me know if you like it, if it's useful. Written in Python, of course. So here it is on my phone. I've kept track of a number of workouts. I actually do use this with my friends. And there's my friends. You can go look at their workouts too. And I've got ads installed. You can see on the bottom. So if you install it, maybe you'll make me a cent or two. Alright, I'm giving Harry right there a couple fist bumps for doing a good job on leg day. And I'll update his nickname to Hank. And then I can show just also creating a new workout. So maybe I was jogging today for half an hour or something. So you can see it works, it's published, it's got an ad, everything you need. Alright, thanks for watching.